Did you know that feeling? The pit in your stomach when your phone slips from your grasp, it crashes to the ground, your heart sinks as you check for damage, a shattered screen, we've all been there. Smartphones are now essential, we use them for everything. Communication, work, entertainment, it's all on our phones, so when they break, we need them fixed, fast. This is where your phone repair business comes in. The demand for phone repair is exploding. Why? People are holding on to their phones longer. New phones are expensive. Repair is often the most affordable option. This means there's a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs like you. Starting a phone repair business can be lucrative and rewarding. It lets you be your own boss. You get to help people. Plus, you're part of the ever-growing tech industry. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Not all phone repair businesses are the same. You get to choose your own adventure. Let's explore the different business models out there. The brick-and-mortar shop. This is the classic storefront. Customers can walk in with their broken devices. They can get a face-to-face consultation. This builds trust and loyalty. Location is key for a walk-in shop. You'll need good foot traffic, mobile repair service, bring the repair shop to the customer, offer on-site repairs. This is super convenient. Customers love the speed and flexibility. You can operate out of a van or even a smaller car. Mail-in repair service. This model is all about convenience. Customers mail in their devices. You repair and ship them back. This requires a streamlined shipping process. It also needs clear communication with customers. Kiosk repair. Set up small repair kiosks in busy areas. Think malls or shopping centers. This offers quick and easy repairs for common issues. Visibility is key with kiosks. You want to be where people are already shopping. You can even combine these models. Offer both a walk-in shop and mobile repairs. The choice is yours. Think about your target market. What kind of service would they value most? Choose the model that fits your goals and resources. Now let's talk services. You need to be a one-stop shop for all things phone repair. Here are the essentials. Screen replacement. This is the bread and butter of any phone repair business. Master this skill. Offer quick and affordable screen replacements. Battery replacement. Tired of phones dying quickly? Battery replacement is another common service. Source quality batteries. Offer warranties to build trust. Charging port repair. A broken charging port can be a major headache. Offer reliable repairs to get customers juiced up again. Water damage repair. Accidents happen. Be prepared to tackle water damage. This requires specialized skills and equipment. Software issues. Not all problems are hardware related. Offer software troubleshooting and repair services. Consider offering additional services. Selling accessories, cases, screen protectors, chargers. These are great add-ons to boost your revenue. Data recovery. Help customers recover precious photos and data from damaged phones. Buy and sell used phones. Expand your inventory. Offer customers the option to trade in or buy used devices. Remember, quality is key. Use high-quality parts. Provide excellent customer service. This will set you apart from the competition. Time to make it official. Setting up your business properly is crucial. Here's a breakdown. Choose a business structure. Sole proprietorship, LLC, S-Corp. Each has its pros and cons. Consult with a business advisor to determine the best fit for you. Get your licenses and permits. Contact your local and state authorities. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. Find the perfect location, if applicable. For a walk-in shop, location is everything. Choose a spot with high foot traffic and visibility. Consider the demographics of the area. Are they likely to be your target customers? Insurance. Protect your business from unforeseen circumstances. Get liability insurance and property insurance. You might also need specialized insurance for electronic repairs. Legal agreements. Draft clear and concise terms and conditions for your services. Have customers sign repair authorizations. This protects both you and the customer. Remember, compliance is crucial. Stay up to date on all legal requirements. This ensures a smooth and successful operation. Gearing up. Tools of the trade for phone repair. Phone repair requires specialized tools. Investing in the right equipment is crucial for quality repairs. Here's a list of essential tools. First, a screwdriver set. You'll need a variety of small screwdrivers to open phones and replace parts. Invest in a high-quality set with magnetic tips. Next, precision tweezers. These are a must-have for handling small components and delicate parts. Then, opening picks and spudgers. These tools help to pry open phone cases without causing damage. Also a heat gun or hair dryer. These are used to soften adhesives when removing screens and batteries. Suction cups are helpful for lifting and separating screens after applying heat. For repairs involving soldering, you'll need a soldering iron and accessories. This includes a soldering iron, solder wire, and a fume extractor. A multimeter is essential for testing batteries, charging ports, and other electrical components. A magnifying lamp provides a clear and magnified view of small parts during repairs. Lastly, an anti-static mat and wrist strap are important to protect sensitive electronic components from static discharge. Don't skimp on quality, invest in durable and reliable tools. This will save you headaches in the long run. Finding your fixers. Building your repair team. As your business grows, you might need an extra pair of hands or two. Hiring skilled technicians is key to providing top-notch repairs. Here's how to build your dream team. 1. Look for experience. Ideally, you want technicians with prior phone repair experience. Check their resumes for relevant skills. 2. Technical skills. Assess their proficiency in various repair tasks. Can they replace screens, batteries, and charging ports efficiently? 3. Problem-solving abilities. Phone repair often involves troubleshooting. Look for technicians who can diagnose and solve problems effectively. 4. Attention to detail. Phone repair requires precision and care. Choose technicians who are detail-oriented and take pride in their work. 5. Customer service skills. Your technicians will interact with customers. Ensure they have excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Training. Even experienced technicians can benefit from ongoing training. Keep your team updated on new phone models and repair techniques. A skilled and motivated team is essential for success. Spreading the word, marketing your phone repair business. You've got the skills, the tools, and the team. Now it's time to get the word out. Effective marketing is crucial for attracting customers. Here are some strategies to get you started. 1. Local SEO. Claim your Google My Business listing. Optimize your website and online presence for local searches. When people search for phone repair near me, you want to be at the top of the list. 2. Social media marketing. Create engaging content showcasing your services, promotions, and customer testimonials. Use relevant hashtags. Run targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. 3. Partnerships. Team up with local businesses. Offer discounts to their employees. Explore co-marketing opportunities. 4. Flyers and brochures. Don't underestimate the power of print marketing. Distribute flyers and brochures in high-traffic areas, coffee shops, and community centers. 5. Customer referrals. Encourage satisfied customers to spread the word. Offer referral bonuses or discounts. 6. Website and online booking. Make it easy for customers to find information about your services and book repairs online. 7. Email marketing. Collect customer emails. Send out newsletters with promotions, tips, and updates. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Continuously evaluate your strategies and adapt to changing trends. Beyond repairs, extra ways to make money. Phone repair is your core business, but there are additional revenue streams you can tap into to maximize your profits. Here are a few ideas. 1. Sell accessories. Offer a curated selection of phone cases, screen protectors, chargers, headphones, and other accessories. 2. Data recovery and backup services. Help customers recover valuable data from damaged phones. Offer data backup solutions. 3. Software installation and troubleshooting. Assist customers with software issues, app installation, and operating system updates. 4. Trade-in program. Allow customers to trade in their old devices for credit towards repairs or new purchases. 5. Extended warranties. Offer extended warranties on repairs to provide customers with peace of mind. 6. Corporate partnerships. Partner with businesses to provide on-site repairs and discounted services for their employees. By diversifying your offerings, you can create additional income streams and attract a wider customer base. Leveling up, growing your phone repair empire. Congratulations, your phone repair business is thriving. Now it's time to think about scaling and expanding your operations. Here are some growth opportunities. 1. Open multiple locations. If your current shop is bursting at the seams, consider expanding to new areas. Replicate your successful model in new locations. 2. Franchising. Share your successful business model with others. Offer franchising opportunities to aspiring entrepreneurs. 3. Expand your service offerings. Branch out into repairing other electronic devices like tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles. 4. Online store. Create an online store to sell accessories, parts, and even offer remote repair services. 5. Partnerships and acquisitions. Explore partnerships or acquisitions of smaller repair shops to expand your market reach. 6. Invest in technology. Stay ahead of the curve by investing in the latest repair equipment and software. 7. Build a strong brand. Develop a memorable brand identity. Focus on exceptional customer service to build a loyal following. Remember, growth takes time and planning. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and adapt your strategies as needed. The mobile phone repair industry is full of potential. With hard work, dedication, and a passion for technology, you can build a successful and rewarding business. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and fix some phones.